Slow down, Simba. A king must learn patience.
But I'm going to be king one day. I have to know everything.
A king's job is more than just knowing what's out there, Simba. Come here. Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Oh.
A king's time as a ruler rises and falls like the sun. One day, Simba, the sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new king.
And everything the light touches will be mine? And what about that shadowy place?
That's beyond our borders. You must never go there, Simba.
But I thought the king could do whatever he wants.
Everything. But there's more to being a king than just getting whatever you want all the time.
But can't I do whatever I want?
No, Simba. Being king means respecting all creatures around you, from the crawling ants to the leaping antelopes.
But we eat the antelopes.
Yes, but let me explain. When we die, our bodies become the grass, and the antelope eats the grass. And so we are all connected in the great circle of life.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, young Master Simba. The zebras are quarreling at the watering hole again, and the giraffes are refusing to share leaves.
Thank you, Zazu. Let's go, Simba. A king must stay informed.
Can I come? Can I? Please.
Of course, a future king must learn how to handle the circles and the squabbles.
Well, I'd love to, my dear boy. But I'm afraid my back just isn't what it used to be.
Okay. Hey, Uncle Scott! Guess what?
I despise guessing games.
I am going to be king of Bright Rock.
Oh, goody.
My dad just showed me the whole kingdom, and I'm going to rule it all.
Yes, well, Simba, forgive me for not leaping with joy. Bad back, you know.
Hey, Uncle Scott, when I'm king, what will that make you?
A monkey's uncle?
You're so weird.
Well, Simba, you have no idea. So your father, he showed you the whole kingdom, did he?
Everything.
Did he show you what lies beyond the northern borders?
Well, no. He said I can't go there.
And he's absolutely right. The place is far too dangerous. Only the bravest of lions can go there.
Well, I'm brave. What's out there?
I'm sorry, Simba. I simply can't tell you.
Why not?
Well, Simba, you see, I'm only looking out for the well-being of my favorite nephew.
Yeah, right. I'm your only nephew.
And all the more reason for me to be so protective is that an elephant's graveyard is no place for a young prince.
An elephant what?
Oops.
Whoa.
Oh dear, I've said too much, Simba. Well, you would have known it sooner or later. You being so clever and all.